Do you know many people are having trouble with water not dispensing from their Saeco Incanto coffee maker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove air bubbles. Remove the water tank and reinsert it firmly to eliminate any trapped air bubbles. Repeat this action a few times to ensure proper seating. Step 2. Insert tank correctly. Check that the water tank is correctly inserted with no obstructions. Ensure it clicks securely into place and that the compartment is clean. Step 3. Perform descaling. Perform a descaling procedure to remove any limescale buildup that may be blocking the water circuit. Step 4. Check filter. Verify the AquaClean filter is installed correctly. Activate it in the settings and make sure it is free of air by immersing it in water. Step 5. Check demo mode. Ensure the machine is not in demo mode by turning it off and on using the main switch at the back. Follow these steps and your Saeco Incanto should dispense water smoothly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.